everyone, welcome. Welcome po tayo. Jack Liner Bus 8925 Moban LRT Buendia. Hey. Hello guys, nandito po tayo sa MOA Arena. Katatapos lang po Angels Walk. Program ng Angels Walk for Autism. Yan, first time ko kasi ito magawi. Shoutout muna kay Awesome Nanay, Awesome Atlas Journey, and of course, Awesome Dian, at sa lahat ng mga awesomes.
At dito tayo.
Mami Zil. Shoutout sa Teacher Pediatry Center, Tanza, Dasmariñas, and Rosario, Cavite. Sa mga taga-Etibac, kung nanonood po yung mga awesome si Cheryl Fidelino, nanonood sa atin. Thank you. Proud SDA here. Proud Seventh-day Adventist here. San Rafael SDA Church, mag-ingay. Alagang Jack, alam na this. Ang lawak pala ng MOA. Abuhay.
Idols Fitness Gym, located at M. Leonor Street, San Pablo City, Laguna. Gym na tayo, only here at Idols Fitness Gym.
The finest quality of Adventist education in the heart of San Pablo City, Laguna. SCLC Adventist School Incorporated, San Rafael. Enroll now at SCLC Adventist School, San Rafael, to enjoy the best quality Adventist education.